I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back today to another 5-star cooking video. So I'll be making a lasagna from scratch. Yes, homemade style lasagna. Please remember, as you come in, guys, let me pause for a quick second. Please give your girl a likey, like it is free. Thank you. So here I am showing you, I'll be making a very small lasagna, and I am adding in the pasta to be cooked. Here I have garlic, bell pepper, onions, ready to add some minced beef that I washed. Yes, I washed my beef. And I will be adding my ingredients in the description box for you. I used mostly herbs and spices and a little hint of Himalayan salt. I allow my beef to cook, and I did not have beef broth, but I had chicken broth, so I used that. And my tomato paste, I made it from scratch. Once my beef was cooked, within 30 minutes, I added in my tomato paste. So here I am mixing 1 egg with ricotta cheese, so it's egg and ricotta cheese combined. Some of the ingredients I used were basil, oregano, a little hint of smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, herbs and spices, and I will drop them in the description box. Once everything was ready, I got my bowl ready, and I added a little of the tomato paste at the bottom of the tray. And then I started to lay the cooked lasagna pasta in the bottom of my baking tray. Then next I added some of the beef that I prepared. I spread this evenly on the bottom. Then of course I started adding in. Then I added some fresh parsley and then the ricotta and egg mixture. At this point, I also added some fresh parsley.
I just can't let you go.
Then I started to sprinkle cheese. I used mozzarella, parmesan, and a little cheddar. Then I continue to lay additional lasagna on top, and then I added additional beef, and then I did the same thing over, adding fresh parsley, Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, and a little cheddar. At this point, I lit my oven to 350 degrees where I'll be baking this. So now I'll be dressing the top of this lasagna. So I added some of the tomato paste on top, and then I sprinkled Parmesan, mozzarella, and a little cheddar cheese on top of this. I will add in my oven to bake until it gets the desired color or it starts melting. This took approximately 45 minutes to bake in my oven. I don't like a runny lasagna because I am not a fan of tomato paste. And the cheddar cheese is optional, but I do think it does give the lasagna a blended color with the yellow cheese and the white cheese. Feel free to use any cheese you want if you're trying this recipe. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for the support. It is greatly appreciated. Ready to go in the oven and to bake in a preheated oven. My 5-star preparation is done. Yes, look at my lasagna. It has a little yellow color and white color. And of course, I added a little fresh parsley on top of this. Then I'll be ready to cut into this, although it's hot, so it's a little soft. But I will try to dig in to cut this open so you see what it looks like. I used to make these in Jamaica. My son loves them because he loves anything pasta, anything with cheese. At this point, it is still a little bit hot, but I am trying to cut through to this, and this was, of course, my Sunday dinner. Yes, it was. Lasagna tastes really good, and I love it, especially when it does not have a lot of tomato paste in it. Dinner for me was just a little tiny piece of chicken, some salad on the side, and some of this lasagna. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried this and if you do like it. Quick and easy Sunday dinner. And of course, my veggies are on another dish because I don't like my food touching. Here's a teaser of my next upcoming video, some roasted Brussels sprouts.
I've tried